Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to today's video. In this video I'm going to share more light to you guys on how to use this perfect indicator. Believe me guys, this indicator will skyrocket your profit every day if you can work with this indicator. This indicator doesn't work on mobile phone, it only works on PC. So for guys that need this indicator on mobile phone, please don't message me. And to get this indicator, you can message me on this sponsorship post, and I will reply to you with it. And this is not for free, but it is avoidable guys, it is avoidable. But let me show you how this powerful indicator works. You see, this indicator works on all MT5 pairs, including the Reef, synthetic, which is boom and crash, step index, and it also works on all currency pair on MT5 guys. So you can use this indicator to catch up a spike, and you can use it to what? You can use it to scrape the market as you like. So what you just need to do is to wait for this indicator to release up its signal at this level here. You can see here that we have a right signal at this particular right for what? For spike. If you are using it to if you are going to use it on trading boom and crash, it will indicate to you, and this signal is permanent. It is not reprint. It is not reprint guys. It's not reprint. Once it show it, it's going to permanent. So this is it. It showed the signal for you to enter for spike level. You can see what is happening here at the current market. So let me show you more of it guys. And also you can see another spike entry here. But we have a reverse little bit before we have our full spike. So that's how the indicator works. You can see another one here, another scraping you just scrape the market as you like, as many as you like, you see. So it goes down to this particular level. You can see that. So you can use it to scrape the market and catch up spike successful guys. So for you to get this indicator, what you just need to do is to message me, and I will get right to you on this sponsorship post. And also I'm going to be releasing this video on my channel for those who need it on my channel. You can see also here there's another accurate signal here. So if you can sit down with this indicator, you can successfully increase your daily profit every day. And also it works on currency pair. You see, this is XAU EUR. You can see what is happening at this current market. It gives us a signal that the market is going on a downtrend, and what is happening here is going on a downtrend. And also from here it said it's going on an uptrend. You can see, you can just maintain this with your technical analysis every day, and you can keep on making a lot of profits with this indicator. So this indicator is permanent. What you just need to do is to message me, and I will get right to you with what to do to get it. So for those who doesn't have you do not know how to set it up, don't worry, I have a tutorial video that you can use to set it up on your system, and you will have it like this. Believe me guys, this is what I've been using to make my own daily profits, and I want you guys to enjoy it. And you see, that's why it's very avoidable. You can get this indicator without without billing you $1,000 or $100. It is very avoidable guys, and I want you to try this indicator and see how the outcome will be. Thank you guys.